New data shows year-over-year inflation was below 3% last month for the first time since 2021. The Consumer Price Index rose 0.2% between June and July. The report also says inflation was up 2.9% over the past 12 months, which is slightly below economists' expectations. CBS News senior business and technology correspondent Jo Ling Kent is in Los Angeles with a look at what these numbers mean. So, Jo Ling, what are your highlights from this report?
Essentially, this is a strong inflation report if you're looking at what the Fed is going to do when it comes to interest rates. And so this came in below Wall Street's expectations, what economists were looking for. So that means, inflation ticking down just 0.1% is a meaningful thing. It adds to the evidence that the Federal Reserve will probably cut interest rates in just a few weeks at that mid-September meeting. But of course, we want to look at the details. So what's driving this tick down? We saw meaningful changes in how much it costs to buy a used car. For example, gas prices are also down. Those are good things. But we're also looking at monthly costs because even though this number is seen as strong by Wall Street, 2.9%, for year-over-year inflation, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's moved very much. It's still sticky, it's still stubborn, and a lot of people are still feeling the pinch when it comes to how much they're spending, say, on car insurance, on rent. Rent is one of the biggest drivers of inflation that continued to rise above that 2.9% level. And so that hurts a lot of people when it comes to how much they're paying on a monthly basis, Lindsay.
I want to ask you about that because, when we see housing prices in this report, are we talking about just rent, or are actually the cost to buy a home also included in this report? And what is behind this increase?
Yeah, so let's take a look at shelter, basically rent, right? Rent prices continue to go up, and that drives the price, drives the main headline inflation number. We do know from our previous reporting that maintaining and owning a home, the cost of that continues to be very high when it comes to insurance and the price of a home and all of those factors. But that isn't necessarily tracked by the Consumer Price Index. But obviously, this data does lag a little bit behind when you look at rental prices. So we could see additional improvement when it comes to next month. But overall, what we're seeing for inflation is an encouraging number when it comes to getting those interest rates to come down. So if you do want to start and apply for a new mortgage and get into the housing market, for example, or get back in, that could be good news come mid-September for those mortgage rates.
Yeah, a lot of people may be looking to refinance also. Before we let you go, you mentioned buying a car. Notable positive here in this report, used vehicle prices. Those saw a decline. What's going on there?
Yeah, we saw used car prices drop 11%. And there's a couple of reasons why behind that. But one of the main ones is that demand is dropping a little bit. And so you see prices kind of normalize. Also, the supply chain over the past several years, it's gotten a lot better over the past few months when it comes to new car availability. And so if you look at the overall, landscape, if you're looking to replace your car and you want to buy secondhand or a used car, this might be a good time to do so. But overall, what we're seeing, though, is if you're buying a car and you have to insure that car, which everyone does, the rate of insurance continues to go up more than 18% year over year.
Wow.
And all of our reporting shows that the reason insurance costs continue to be so high is because labor costs continue to go up, in addition to parts being hard to source and all of the pieces that come with insuring a vehicle, all of the policies being written in different states, things like that. So it's a complicated picture once you get beyond that headline number, but overall a strong report, but still monthly expenses, very expensive for most people.
Okay, Jo Ling Kent, thanks for breaking it down for us.
Thanks, Lindsay.